healthy work-life balance. By seeking support, individuals can reduce stress and avoid feeling overwhelmed, which can help to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Practice self-care. Practicing self-care is essential for finding a balance between career and personal life. This means engaging in activities that promote mental and physical health, such as exercise. Meditation and hobbies. By practicing self-care, individuals can reduce stress and improve their overall well-being, which can lead to a healthier work-life balance. Meditation and hobbies. By practicing self-care, individuals can reduce stress and improve their overall well-being, which can lead to a healthier work-life balance. In conclusion, finding a balance between career and personal life is essential for maintaining mental and physical health, achieving long-term success, and overall happiness. While it can be challenging, there are many methods individuals can use to help achieve this balance. By setting clear boundaries, prioritizing tasks, taking breaks, learning to say no, utilizing technology, communicating there are many methods individuals can use to help achieve this balance. By setting clear boundaries, prioritizing tasks, taking breaks, learning to say no, utilizing technology, communicating effectively, seeking support, and practicing self-care, individuals can find a balance that works for them. Remember, finding a balance between career and personal life takes time and effort, but juggling the demands of work and personal responsibilities can be challenging. But achieving balance is important for your health, happiness, and productivity. Here are some methods to help find balan. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal time. During work hours, focus solely on work tasks. After hours, try not to think about work unless absolutely necessary. Turn off work notifications when not on the clock. When not on the clock. Prioritize important tasks. Spend time each day or week identifying the most critical work tasks that need your focused attention. Tackle those first. Delegate, automate, or eliminate lower priority tasks to free up more personal time. Batch similar tasks. Group similar work tasks into specific windows of time during your workday. For example, do all email during 1 hour and all calls during a separate hour. This helps maximize productivity during more hours. Set a routine. Having a set morning and evening routine can help compartmentalize work and personal responsibilities. Your morning routine might include exercising, meditating, and planning your workday. Evenings focus on family, chores, and winding down. Focus on family, chores, and winding down. Take breaks regularly. Schedule breaks throughout your workday to recharge. Take a short walk outside, run errands, or chat with friends or family during lunch. Optimize longer breaks on weekends to reconnect with loved ones. And pursue hobbies. Say no to non-essentials. Learn to politely decline requests that compete with important personal responsibilities. Overcommitting at work makes it difficult to fulfill commitments at home. Practice being selective about what you take on.